badass is that? Huh. Mid-drive ZX, that's badass. All right, people, I think I've said the word badass once or twice already, but I'm going to say it again. How badass is this? A Super73 ZX with a mid-drive. So I actually spoke to the gentleman that was riding it. His name's D. He has a channel called Urban Grizzly. Definitely check it out. Subscribe. He just got a new Super73 ZX in the last month. He had originally wanted to get a Buzzraw from Coast Cycles, which is a full suspension looking bike like that, that has a mid-drive. But they didn't have any. So he decided to get the Super73 ZX and then customize it. And what he's put into it is an ASI BAC 855 controller with up to 4,000 watts of power output. He's put a 1,000 watt Bafang mid-drive. It's the BBSHD mid-drive motor that you've probably heard of from Luna. And he's put in an additional 52 volt 20 amp hour battery. So you can see here, the bike has the standard battery, but it also has the 52 volt. It has the standard hub motor in the back, but it also has the new mid-drive motor. So the 52 volt battery goes to the mid-drive, and the standard battery goes to the hub motor. And he says, D says that the bike has insane torque. He actually has to lean forward so it doesn't pop up. He loves the power output, and he's just like really excited about it. Loves the bike, loves the look. So there you have it. Yeah, that's sweet.
Kind of expensive, but I like it.
Yeah, Buzzraw, what happened? They don't have them?
I was checking for months. I couldn't find them in stock. I checked Facebook Marketplace to see if I could find one local.
Isn't it Coast Cycles? Same thing?
Cycles. Yeah, same thing.
Yeah. Huh. Because you wanted the mid-drive. Yeah. Mid-drive is so much better. Unbelievable.
Power delivery.
Oh my God.
So I didn't get
Light and day.
38 miles an hour. And the cruise there at 750 watts, 1,000 watts.
Yeah.
That's what I like about this.
You have to lean forward where you pop a wheelie? Yeah, same. Cool. That's badass.